Play is very important for children. It can be compared with work for adults. It's the child's natural way of being. If a child does not play, teachers and parents should be worried. My name is Gerjanne from Twiga, dukina, and today I will tell you more about imaginary play. Imaginary play is a fundamental tool for children to practice life skills. Children imitate others. It might be their parents or other people in their community. We, as adults, have to be aware that we are role models for children. Children copy what they see, good and bad behavior. Children can engage in imaginary play alone or with others. When they are playing, children share ideas and opinions, learn to take turns and to use rules created by themselves. They practice with perspective taking and develop, for example, empathy, creativity, problem solving, critical thinking, cooperation and communication, and science and math skills. I assume you might have heard of these concepts before, but what do they exactly mean? Look at this little mom. She is washing her baby. This requires perspective taking and empathy. She is taking the perspective of her mother, and while caring for the baby, she talks with another mom. She is developing vocabulary and social skills. Perspective taking and empathy are important social skills. They help with reflecting on their own behavior, on conflict resolution and understanding another point of view. Take a look at this trader. He wants to bring rice, potatoes and other food to the market. He tries to load everything on his car. Did you notice that he knows to start with a big sack of potatoes before adding smaller sacks? He tries to travel slowly because he knows the consequence of speeding up. This requires critical thinking, science and math skills. Play also develops perseverance, self-esteem and concentration. It took this trader a long time before he was able to carry all his food to the market, but he kept on trying. That's the same case for these two constructors who are building a beautiful building. They have only one problem. Their gate keeps collapsing. Check what they are doing to solve that problem. This mama is cooking for her family, but she's not too busy to answer a phone call at the same time. All the furniture in this classroom was checked by the technician and he repaired what was broken. Here you can see that the mother knows when her child is hungry. This engineer was building a very strong house with cement between the bricks. A clever boy created a shaving machine out of a toilet roll and a wooden block and started his job as a barber. What I see here are creative children with problem-solving skills. Imaginary play or role play helps children to understand and process the world around them. Mama Sini made sure that her baby is protected against COVID-19. In this school, two children are imagining that they are a policeman with a thief. The policeman tied the thief using banana fiber. I'm curious how long it will take the thief to escape the prison. Play is a way to practice how to live with yourself and others. It teaches children how to set and change rules and how to decide when to lead and when to follow. All these skills are important for living in a society. One day I was at a school where children built a complete village. And of course there was a village leader and someone to take care of security. Play doesn't have to be expensive. Look at this mother with her little baby. Did you notice that her baby is just a sweater? Children can use this bamboo stick for many different purposes. It can be a moto, a guitar, a walking stick, whatever they want. These stones can be used as potatoes and this tin as a saucepan. Bottle tops can turn into money. It's all about imagination, creativity, and allowing children to take initiatives and to come up with their own ideas. It is important to mention that what you saw in the videos and pictures were children's own ideas. No adult told them what to do. You might ask yourself, is it really important to teach children creativity, problem solving, critical thinking, social skills? Can't we better invest in reading, writing and maths? Let me tell you, yes, play is important. And it is way more important than just memorizing and repeating facts. If children learn through play and have developed creativity, problem solving and critical thinking at this age, they will be better equipped to learn to read and write in a more structured way. The brain of a child at this age is very practical. It means children need to have as many real-life experiences as possible. Actually, play is how every human being has ever learned, through curiosity and experimentation. That's how the first humans invented an arrow and bow or made fire with stones. It's how the light bulb, computers and cars were created. The children of today are living in a fast evolving world. We don't know what problems they will need to solve and what inventions will need to be invented. Play, and especially imaginary and free play, develops the skills that a child needs for a lifelong learning. Are you ready to let your child play? Share your reactions in the comments below.